This is Rev Michelle Hopkins. You remember the lithium rocket that was sent up from NASA Wallops Island on July 4th? Since then, it's been raining and raining and raining. So we decided to do a video of the rain. And this is what we discovered. It's raining chemtrail. Do you see? All these gray elongations are the rain coming down. It's raining Chemdross. It's the same color of the Chemdross in the clouds. The rain is coming down with Chemdross in it. I told you, what comes up must come down. The lithium and other chemicals that have been sprayed in the air are coming down. And it's gray coming down, not white, not clear, but gray. And up against the clouds, you can tell just how gray it is. Dingy, gray Chemdross falling down upon us. My eyes, my nose, and my mouth all burned for hours after just opening my door for a few moments while it was raining down this stuff. Imagine if you had to work outside in this. The Lord says in Deuteronomy 28, "However, if you do not obey the Lord your God, and do not carefully follow all his commands and decrees I am giving you today, all these curses will come on you and overtake you." He's speaking to the people of God, believers, the family of Israel. The Lord will send on you curses, confusion, and rebuke in everything you put your hand to, until you are destroyed and come to sudden ruin because of the evil you have done in forsaking him. The Lord will plague you with diseases until he has destroyed you from the land that you are entering to possess. The Lord will strike you with wasting disease, with fever and inflammation, with scorching heat and drought, with blight and mildew, which will plague you until you perish. The sky over your head will be bronze, the ground beneath you iron. The Lord will turn the rain of your country into dust and powder. It will come down from the skies until you are destroyed. The Lord will cause you to be defeated before your enemies. My friends, we are under judgment. This is Rev Michelle Hopkins. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.